Welcome to the final lesson of Module 3. In this lesson, we'll explore how to create, implement, and evaluate a financial plan that aligns with your mission and supports your social enterprise's sustainability. When we talk about financial planning, we're not just talking about controlling money, we're talking about giving direction and structure to your ideas, so they can actually happen. A good financial plan helps you define where you're going and how to get there. It ensures that your spending choices match your mission and your values. It also prepares you to deal with unexpected challenges, because resilience is essential in social entrepreneurship, and most importantly, it turns your long-term vision into something practical and achievable, step by step. That's why financial planning truly matters. So, what exactly makes up a good financial plan? First, there's budgeting. This is where you decide how to allocate your resources so they truly support your mission. Then comes forecasting. This means looking ahead and making informed predictions about your future income and expenses. It helps you plan with confidence, even when things are uncertain. Next, you need a funding strategy. Where will your money come from? Will you apply for grants, attract donors, or generate revenue through your activities? Finally, no plan is complete without evaluation tools. These help you measure what's working and what needs to change, so you can improve over time. Remember, a financial plan isn't something you write once and forget. It's a living document that should grow and evolve as your enterprise develops. Setting the right financial goals is an essential part of your financial plan. But not just any goals. Good goals have certain qualities. They should be specific. For example, instead of saying, "I want to earn more," say, "I want to raise €5,000 by the end of the year." They should be measurable, so you can clearly track your progress along the way. They should also be aligned with your social and business mission. Your goals should support the bigger picture of what you're trying to achieve. And of course, they should be time-bound, with clear deadlines to keep you focused and accountable. Your financial plan is the roadmap that should help you reach these goals step by step. Once your financial plan is in place, it's important to monitor how things are going. That's where tracking comes in. Start with cash flow tracking. This helps you understand how money is moving in and out of your enterprise, so you're never caught off guard. Then, do regular budget reviews. Compare what you plan to spend with what you're actually spending. Are you staying within budget? Are there areas you didn't anticipate? You should also prepare reports. These aren't just useful for you, they're also essential when communicating with partners, funders, or your team. And finally, set clear KPIs, key performance indicators. These could be related to revenue, costs, or even social impact. They give you measurable targets to work toward. And remember, a financial plan is flexible. Don't be afraid to make adjustments as your situation or goals change. Even with a good financial plan, there are common mistakes that can put your enterprise at risk. One major issue is not saving for emergencies. Unexpected costs can appear at any time. Without a financial cushion, they can disrupt your entire plan. Another pitfall is underestimating expenses. It's easy to overlook hidden or irregular costs, especially when you're just starting out. Many social enterprises also skip regular financial reviews, which means they miss early warning signs and can't adapt in time. And finally, relying too heavily on a single source of funding, like one grant or donor, can be risky. If that support disappears, so does your stability. To avoid these issues, build a reserve fund. Review your budget often. Track your spending closely. Diversify your funding sources. Being aware of these risks, and actively planning around them, can make your enterprise much stronger and more resilient. To summarize, financial planning and evaluation are essential tools for turning your social mission into long-term, sustainable action. We looked at the key elements of a financial plan, like budgeting, forecasting, and setting clear goals. We saw how tracking your progress and adjusting along the way keeps your enterprise on course. And we discussed common financial pitfalls, and how to avoid them with good habits and proactive thinking. Financial planning isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that gives you clarity, confidence, and control over your social enterprise's future. Thank you for watching this video about financial planning and evaluation. Before moving on, please complete the following 5 questions to test your understanding of the concepts we've covered. See you in the next module.